Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to add two complex numbers. So given two complex numbers as your input to your Python program, so your task is to add these two complex numbers and print them onto the standard output. So that is a problem statement. So let us try to solve this. So let me take a variable that is first and second. So this will be used to store the two complex numbers. So let's use the input function to ask a user to enter first complex number. Let's give some example. So in the round brace, so let's take example, that is 3 plus 4j. So this is the example that we are trying to provide. So yeah, so this is an example that in the message itself we are trying to provide. So where 3 is a real and 4j is an imaginary part. So once the user enters the string, so it will be of a string type. So let us convert that string to a complex number using the type conversion. So this is how you try to get a complex number into your program. So let's take another variable that is second and again use the input function call to ask a user to enter second complex number. Yeah, again let's use the example. So let's give something like example 3 plus 4j, same we are trying to give, and let's give colon. Yeah, again, once the user enters the complex number, so it will be of string type. So let us try to convert this particular string to a complex number using the type conversion. So once we get two values, that is two complex numbers, so let's take another variable that is total and use the direct sum, that is first plus second. Yeah, so this is how you try to add two complex numbers. Once we are done executing this particular statement, the addition of two complex numbers will be stored in this variable, that is total. So let's use the print function, that is print function, to print the addition or sum of two complex numbers. So let's say addition of two complex numbers are, or let's say is, so let's give colon, and in the flower braces, so let's try to print the variable that is total. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to add two complex numbers. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So running the main program, so let's try to input first complex numbers. So let's say 1 plus 2j, and second complex numbers is 3 plus 5j. So you can see addition of two complex numbers is 4 plus 7j. So you can directly calculate, that is real part is 1 and real part in the second complex number is 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4, and let's try to add the imaginary part, so that is 2 plus 5 is 7. Closing it. So let me run it again. So let's give something like 3 plus 7j, and imaginary part is 0 over here, so let's give something like 2. So you can see addition of two complex numbers is 5 plus 7j. So you can only see the, that is real part getting added, and imaginary part is 0 over here, that is 7 directly printed. Closing it. So let me run it again. So now let's give real part as 0, let's give 5j and 1 plus 1j. So you can see 1 plus 6j has been printed, that is adding only the imaginary part and real part is not there in the first complex number. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to accept two complex numbers and find the total or addition of two complex numbers. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.